Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is the new video. So if you are still wondering what this video is about, this video is about how to stop apps from showing up in startup. But wait, you've made that one last week, no? So here is the thing guys, here is the thing. I recently find out if sometimes the last video it doesn't really work and there's like a second way and the alternative way to stop it, and in this video I'm going to show that way, the alternative way. And yeah, because it's also I made a polling, not a polling, actually just a question sticker on Instagram, my Instagram. Okay, just see description, there's a link. If you want to follow it, just follow me as soon as possible to see like the latest updates. And yeah, I also post memes here. And yeah, the next thing, so there was no suggestions, there was no recommendation of what I should make this week, so it's like as what I said, I will make the continuation of the last week's video. I've told you in the beginning that in the first video that first way doesn't really work. Sometimes it's just like cracked, the apps that just showing up in startup, and in this video I'm going to show you the alternative way, the second way. So first thing we're going to do is click type and search for Task Manager. This, you see this? Now let's just click it. Okay, now you can see what app, just taking CPU, memory, network, just like a classic task manager view. Now we need to click start up, and there is apps that will show up and start to work when you just open up your laptop, and that's how it is. So what we are going to do is to disable some app, and here I will use like Spotify and SmartDev, just like what I do in the last video. Just click this and click disable and click this and disable, and yeah, it's done. That's how it was done. So this is like the alternative way to do it. In my opinion, when I use like task manager, it's more effective and have a really impact, like have more effort to stop them than I use in like settings of this new Windows 10. And it will really work when you use task manager, and you know the classic function of this app to stop apps from like closing them forcefully. You can also like do this and yeah, right click and click end task, and yeah, they will close the app. So this is really powerful actually. You can also see performance, CPU, memory. Why am I showing my little specifications to you? So now you see here is like the status is disabled, just like the same. Go to task manager and start up, and then start up, and then do this, just click. If you want enable, you can do it. It's disabled, you can just go task manager. It's really easy to do. And now it's all done, and just like I'm going to close it. And yeah, that was all. This is the video, that was the tutorial. And if you want to just request anything or have any comment if it doesn't work, just write it in the comment section. That's all for this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.